what, chat? I'm gonna tell y'all my unlimited ChatGPT way. So YouTube, please don't flag this. If you're YouTube employees, if you're watching this, please do not flag this. Don't flag this. And yeah. So, all right, yo, y'all want to make unlimited thumbnails, and y'all tired of it? So look, I'm on a low PC, but I know some of y'all, bro, y'all don't have the amount of money to get a computer, and we're happy that y'all. So look, I used to use Photoshop in the old days. I'm gonna show y'all how to make unlimited thumbnails using ChatGPT. And if you want to basically go in Photoshop and fix some things up, I'm gonna show y'all. So let's go through this video, bro. And let's do it. So I'm gonna show you how to make unlimited thumbnails. So in this video right here, I'm gonna give you this method. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to incognito mode. What you're gonna do is go to ChatGPT right now, ChatGPT.com, right? So you're gonna just go to ChatGPT. You're gonna hit sign up for free, right? So when we hit sign up for free, we're basically gonna use email. So this email right here is called temporary email. We're gonna use one of these. So hold up. So I'm gonna actually exit out of this. I'm gonna go back up. So I'm gonna just go to here. I'm gonna open this up. Alright, so this is it. We're gonna go create. We're gonna go to generate. Alright, so what we're gonna do is just hit this. It's now gonna hit continue. Alright, so it's now gonna basically ask you for a verification code. It's gonna basically, I'm showing y'all, so y'all need, that must be our Faceless channels, right? Don't use this method. Thanks to YouTube, bro. Thanks to YouTube, man. Y'all can use Photoshop too if y'all want. Me, I don't gotta go PC, so it's my cheat code. Here's my cheat code, how to create. You can use, hey, look. You can make over 8 thumbnails in one day. You can make as many as you want. Using weight, there's no limit to it. ChatGPT's model's getting good. You gotta use it wisely, so yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna basically make my own thumbnail using ChatGPT. I'm gonna take inspiration from my competitor. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go to this, and we're gonna basically go to this right here. I'm gonna just now copy this here, and we paste it. So y'all ain't gotta buy no more AI tools. I'm gonna just do Tyrese. My age is 21. I'm 21 years old. Alright, let's look at try again. Alright, so we're in. Alright, so I'm gonna just go to exit this. I'm gonna just copy this right here and paste this. And hopefully it lets me in. Alright, so it says it was an error created. Alright, so we're just gonna basically go to here. And when this happens the most times. You could go to verify, you just exit out of this, you would just go to just now, and you'll basically just put the code right here, and yeah. So in the video right now, I'm showing you how to create unlimited thumbnails, bro, without them to pay money for ChatGPT, the model. So yeah. So what you're gonna do is go to this right here. You're gonna basically copy and paste this right here. You're gonna basically paste this right here. Alright, age, Tyrese. I'm gonna do Tyrese. 21. Alright, showing here. Account creates. Is this already? Please log in instead. So and account already is just. Alright, so what we're gonna do? We're just gonna hit delete. So I'm just gonna create. We're gonna do Microsoft. So sometimes this happens where it's used by another creator, because they probably use it to do the method, but we can also get more generation. So we're gonna go to here, generate. We're not gonna have another option where it gets a new Outlook email. So yeah. So y'all gotta do it a few times and it's gonna work. I'm telling y'all, bro. So we're gonna go to here. It's gonna work. I'm telling y'all. So I'm gonna just do like continue with the password. So I'm gonna do for today. I'm gonna use Google. I'm gonna just go to a password generator. So free password generator. Alright, so I'm gonna go to here. I'm gonna go to free password generator. I'm gonna go to. We're gonna use this. This will work. So I'm gonna basically just create an account. I'm gonna create a password. So it's now gonna basically send us a verification code over to this email. So yeah. So we just wanna hit verify right here. We're gonna exit that. We're gonna just reopen it back up, and we're gonna see that we now click it. So we're gonna hit that again. All right. So let's go through and now open this up right here. Open this code. So I'm gonna now just refresh this, and we're gonna see a page where. And we basically have the code. We basically just put it right here and we're in. So yeah, you're in like that. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna create the thumbnail and put it on my today's video. So yeah, I'm showing y'all my whole way on how to create unlimited thumbnails using ChatGPT. So You don't have to buy you don't need no designer. I want y'all to use this way, bro, and go crazy with it, bro. So stop just sitting around. Y'all not had to wait. There's no excuses like, oh, but bro, you not have to wait. You have to wait for scripts. You have to wait for titles. ChatGPT is the only thing you need. So yeah. So ChatGPT is the only thing you need for ideation. I showed you how to create a folder, how to the scripts. ChatGPT is the only thing you need. You don't need no code. That shit was ass. We wasn't using that back then, bro. Coaches wasn't using that. They was using ChatGPT to go around. ChatGPT models is great. It is improving each day and more. So I'm gonna basically just open this up. I'm gonna hit verify. Alright, so I'm just gonna wait for this to do this thing. Alright, so we just want to copy this code and paste this. Alright, so an error has occurred. Alright, so when this usually happens, I know this happens most times, but yeah, so I'm going to just show y'all another way to do it. So we're going to do it with Microsoft, so yeah, so I'm going to show y'all another way, but yeah, so I'm going to just go to here. I'm going to just basically go to this right here. I'm going to say Outlook. Yeah, so I'm going to show y'all a way how to do it with Microsoft. So if you can't do the Gmail way, that's another way you can do it. If you get it to work, good. But if you can't, then it's cool. So we're just going to go to here. We're going to basically go to this. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure I put Outlook. So Outlook.com, it says we can't find an account. Alright, so I'm going to just go to here, right here, copy this. And I'm just going to copy. We're going to go create account. Alright, so I'm going to go to here. I'm going to hit next. Alright, we got next. Alright, so for the password part, this is a free old account, all educational purposes only. I don't promote any third-party hacking software on this channel. So I'm just only out for educational use. Use it at your own cause to get unlimited thumbnails so you could grow on YouTube, so you could start printing. But yeah, so we're gonna go to next. And the only thing you need is AI. You need AI to create the thumbnail. You don't need to use Photoshop. So if you want to use Photoshop manually to do human intakes, you could. So we're using AI. So I'm gonna go to here, Microsoft. Alright, we're gonna load in. We're now in. So I'm now basically gonna go to this temporary email right here. I'm gonna just copy this. I'm now gonna go over to here and it asks you for email to put in. So the email is not valid enough. So yeah, so sometimes they hit you with that. So what I want to do, let's see what this one. We're just gonna go to copy right here, and we're gonna do it until one works. Yeah, it works. So you see, we're gonna do it until one works. And you see that one works. So I'm gonna refresh this, and we're now gonna just basically put in the code. I'm gonna hit verify again, just so I could go back and I could click this right here, and then what's gonna let me do is now what I just do is go to here, copy the code, and we're done. So, and I'm gonna show y'all smoothly. So, like I said, there's a way how to create unlimited thumbnails, bro. Y'all need this way, bro. I see most of y'all out there trying to pay 40, 20, 30. Like, bro, are you serious right now? You're trying to pay big money for what reason? What reason? I don't know. When AI could do all the work for you, but yeah. So let's go over to here. Temporary mail, Smell Pro. Let's go back over here. And like I said, nobody's here to stop y'all. Nobody's here stopping. Nobody's stopping my grind. I'm gonna keep grinding until the day I die, bro. You feel me? Keep doing this over and over again because I have the proven since I have everything it takes to be successful on YouTube right now with AI. So ChatGPT's out. But yeah, so we're gonna go over here. We're just gonna refresh this. We're gonna go to personal Microsoft. So we're just gonna go to copy. We're now gonna basically go to here. We're now gonna paste this. Alright, so we're in. We're gonna go to continue login. Alright, so let's go to here. Let's go to here. We're in. So yes, we accept it. So you want to accept it? You basically now want to go over here and you're in. So we're gonna go to right here, Microsoft again. We're just gonna smoothly just go to here. I'm gonna just smoothly do that. And I'm gonna do 21 because I'm 21 years old. So we're gonna go to finish creating and we're in. Like that. Alright, so yo, before we continue right here, I want to get out of the way. So yeah, this is my way. Me give me a certain ones out there that couldn't afford it. Like, oh bro, my grandma don't have money. My mom don't. You're good. Therese got you, bro. You're good. Like with me, you winning. And with me, I made a way. I made a way is invented. Can't stop me, bro. I'm gonna go up to here. I'm gonna just have it replace the thumbnail. Alright, so go ahead. Alright, so go ahead and replace, put my face for the second one onto the first one. Replace the face on the first one with my face on the second one. So what we're gonna go through and do is replace my face with the second one. That's what we're gonna create. So you see create image. So we got it up here. So guys, look, this is a new account I just created, an old account. So you can rest and repeat this, bro. And yeah, so you can do this over and over again until you want to get element creations. And yeah, so if you run out right here, you just do it again. I can make a Microsoft account, do the same thing over and over again. Like I said, I made a way for y'all, bro. Y'all ain't got to buy ChatGPT, bro. So, I mean, shout out to Sam Odin, but the prices over here is big. So, ChatGPT is a way. It's saving us from having, you don't got to buy these models. You can just use this way, rest and repeat. So, yeah. Stop spending your mom's credit card. Stop spending your dad's credit card. Stop spending your auntie's credit card. Stop spending it and use this way. So, you see, we're not buying it. So, they want $20 monthly, and you can't beat that at all, but most other tools want like 300, 600 expensive subscriptions, but with ChatGPT, bro, you're winning with ChatGPT. So I want to say big shout out to my boy Sam Odin. I will be having a 100K long form video on this channel. Channel's one of my other fish using ChatGPT. So that's the only thing I use. I use ChatGPT. You can use Photoshop. You don't need no other designer. I mean, in the old days, we used to hire designers and need them, but right now, this day and age, you don't need it. You don't need it at all. You can use ChatGPT, but yeah, so. If people are don't want to work with you, bro, you don't fight with nobody. You go ahead and find your own way. Like right here, if we go right here, and just use ChatGPT. So if we go right here, you see 46 minutes. Let me exit out of that real quick. Let me close the song, Amway song. Yeah, I don't want it to copyright the video, and hopefully it don't copyright it. Let's close it before it do. Alright, let's go back over here. We go. So I just want you to see that there's no hard editing got to be put into these videos, bro. But yeah, you can literally use AI for the thumbnail, use AI for the script, use AI for the title, use AI for the description. There's no sake of no stopping with this. So, and I hope y'all really enjoy it, bro. There's no sake of no stopping, and you only need energy. So that's the only thing you need. Like I said, I'm gonna make sure I go through and drop as many videos. It's over, bro. The white people is winning. In this video, Smokey just hit 900K, but yeah. So we use Photoshop for this. No, we use ChatGPT. What am I saying, bro? I mean ChatGPT for the thumbnail, but yeah. So you see, ChatGPT Smokey just created this. You see, cut my face. Oh yeah. So you see right here that if you scroll down,
contributions were each individually
900,000 3 months ago, United States. So yeah, so you can see right here. So if we go to right here, you can see that this is all ChatGPT generated thumbnail. So we use ChatGPT for it. But yeah, so I'm gonna also show you the category of what he posted it on. So all you gotta do to figure out YouTube category is go to Google. You go to this right here. You'll go to YouTube category checker. So you're gonna do a YouTube category checker. You can check the video with the categories on. And you can use this way to produce as many AI videos. I would just say don't go over limits. Post 5 times, 3 times, 2 times per day. Use Premiere Pro. I wouldn't go slightly over 5. I wouldn't go slightly over 5 because you start doing like you could do how many of you want to do, but I wouldn't go over that. So yeah, so some people do, but I just movie wouldn't. So you see the video title, knowledge. All right, so education is going to be the category you put your video on. So yeah, you can see right here. So you put education, video upload right here, date. You see duration 46 minutes. So video count views. So you can use Premiere Pro, use VeriRush. But I will be finding y'all editing sites where I can do the clips at during the clips. It ain't over, bro. It ain't over. So it ain't over, bro. I'm looking for more sites, bro. But yeah, you know, we taking it. We gonna take over. We gonna Terry's gang on top, bro. So you see, I found another site right here using AI. So I'm gonna find out more, bro. But yeah, Terry's gang on top, bro. So yeah, so what this movie do? I'm just gonna download right here. I'm gonna replace this as the thumbnail for a video. So like I said, AI just made that. Y'all see it was quick. We didn't pay for it, bro. Y'all ain't gotta pay for it. Thanks to Sam Odin. Thanks to ChatGPT. I wouldn't be known without you, ChatGPT. You helped me get my first viral video, yo. So my first viral video that they told me I was never gonna do. So yeah, yeah. So AI's taking over the platform right now. But yeah, I'm out though. I'm gonna see y'all, Brody, in the extreme chat. Run it up. So you see right here, I go to here. I just replace it, and it's on there. It's on the video. So you see just like that, just like that. But yeah, I'm out. And like I said, you want to get hate, just ignore it, bro. Look through it. Keep improving your videos. I'm going to see you on the next video, bro. And yeah. Let's go. So what I forgot to say is, if you guys do this way, what you're going to just do, you're going to basically go to here, and you're going to rest and repeat the process, and until you succeed. So you're going to rest and repeat the process until you get it. And I mean, some temporary mails might not work, but some of them work. You just want to go through it, and you're going to rest and repeat it to create unlimited ChatGPT accounts. I'm going to see you guys moving in the next video, bro. And like I said, you're on your way to hit that outlier video, bro. Keep moving. You got the way to create unlimited thumbnails. You don't need no designer. If you want to use Photoshop, use it. But right now, we use ChatGPT. You don't need no Photoshop. The model is great. I'm going to see you on the next video. And yeah, enjoy.